Hi, everyone. In today's video, I'll be sharing some tips and strategies for increasing your productivity. Whether you're a student, a professional, or anyone in between, these tips can help you get more done in less time. Tip 1. Create a to-do list. One of the simplest and most effective ways to increase productivity is to create a to-do list. Write down all of the tasks that you need to complete and prioritize them based on their importance and urgency. This will help you stay focused and avoid wasting time on less important tasks. Tip 2. Set realistic goals. It's important to set realistic goals for yourself, rather than trying to do too much in a short amount of time. Start by breaking down larger tasks into smaller, more manageable chunks, and focus on completing one task at a time. This will help you avoid becoming overwhelmed and increase your chances of success. Distractions can be a major productivity killer, so it's important to minimize them as much as possible. Turn off your phone, log out of social media, and find a quiet place to work. If you find yourself getting distracted, take a short break to refocus your attention. Tip 4. Take breaks. While it's important to limit distractions, it's also important to take breaks throughout the day. Regular breaks can help you avoid burnout and increase your overall productivity in the long run. Try to take a short walk, meditate, or do a quick exercise to recharge your batteries. Tip 5. Use tools and apps. There are many tools and apps available that can help you increase your productivity. For example, time tracking apps can help you see where you're spending most of your time, and task management apps can help you stay organized and focused. Experiment with different tools and apps to see which ones work best for you. Conclusion. I hope these tips and strategies help you increase your productivity and get more done in less time. Remember, the key to success is consistency, so try to implement these tips into your daily routine and stick with them. Good luck, and happy productive!